Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a VSSP like coloring for your edits in CapCut. So just prepare a photo or video that you want to edit and then go to filter and then here find the render filter under the mono section. Okay, this one, and set it to around 70. Okay, and after that click on adjust at the top and set the brightness 3, contrast -9, and then the exposure -6, sharpen 100, and then highlight 2, and then just click on the check icon and add another filter here. Add the humble filter under the live category, this one, and set it to only around 12. Okay, now click on the check icon and then go to the video effects. Click on the lens category and then add the edge glow effect, this one, and you can set it to your liking. I'm going to set it to around 5 or 6. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.